guys, I'm going to share 5 tips with Beatie Deutsch for running and running the marathon of life. So the first thing is big picture. It's my favorite mantra. You do you, which that just means that you have to do what works best for you and not be busy thinking about what everyone else is doing. And that might seem counterintuitive in this age of social media when we're all just looking at what everyone else is doing. But if you get so caught up in everyone else's, life paths, and you're not going to be focused on what's best for you and your family. And I think that's the most important thing. And be laser focused on what's going to bring out the best for me and my family, and do it, and don't care what other people think. That helps me in everything I do. Okay, so the next thing I want to share is how to run modestly and enjoy it. I get asked this question a lot, and I actually never really even thought it was something so crazy until I started getting more serious in the running, and I realized, yeah, it can be hard when it's hot outside. So here are a few things that work for me. Number 1, find the most comfortable and lightweight clothing you can. Like this awesome kosher casual skirt. It is so lightweight, it feels like you're wearing nothing. I live in my kosher casual skirts. You can wear them running, you can wear them not running. But just find the most comfortable clothes. Don't care about how you look, care about how you feel. If you still feel super hot, maybe change the time of day that you run. I ran at like 5 a.m. every morning in the summer because it's really hot here. And if I didn't get my run in early, I knew I wasn't going to survive in the heat. And if you're still really struggling, then just find one day a week to go to the gym and run in a tank top and shorts and just live it up. And also find people that are going to support you through the modesty, and like friends that do it with you so you don't feel alone. And I'll cheer you on every step of the way. So for number 3, I want to share how you can juggle it all, like how you can make time for yourself and to run and take care of your body physically and mentally as a mom. Because I know it's not easy, and I'm lucky right now to be able to run full-time professionally, but there were like a good 4 years where I was constantly squeezing my runs in around my full-time job. So the number 1 thing I tell people is you have to be super planned out. It has to be blocked out in your schedule, the time for you. And don't feel bad about it. No mom guilt. If you don't take care of yourself, if you don't put yourself first, your kids and your family are gonna suffer. I look back on the 6 years, I had 4 babies in 6 years, and I wasn't taking care of myself, and I'm a changed person. The way I'm able to function as a mom and as a wife is so much better because I take care of myself. And that's because I block off in my calendar my time to run. If you support your spouse in making sure that they have time for themselves, they will be supportive of you. So my husband was a cyclist way before I was a runner. And he'd go out every Friday on his long bike rides, and I was totally supportive of it. And that meant that when I wanted to go for my runs, he'd be there to take care of the kids. So if you support each other, you'll both be able to find time for yourself and be happy parents and spouses. So number 4, I want to share how you can accomplish a huge goal for yourself. So for that, I would say you need to dream big, but you need to break it down into tiny steps. I think what scares us most when it comes to big goals is that we think about it and it's a place that we're totally not at right now, and we almost feel like it's impossible, we'll never get there. But you have to start from the place you're at right now and then say, what am I gonna do to get from point A to point B every single step of the way? And then just focus on what is the next step I need to do to get there. If you wanna run faster, it's gonna be 4 months of investment in that process to get there. And some days are gonna feel really hard and you're gonna feel really slow, but you have to be invested in that big picture goal of trying to become a faster runner, and realize that it takes showing up every single day, or maybe it's just 4 days a week, whatever it is. But as long as you know I'm doing I'm taking the steps I need to get to my goal, you can get there, and there's no goal that's too big. No goal that's too big. Last thing I want to share is treat yourself. When you go out for a good run, have something waiting when you come back to enjoy it. So for me, what I've been really enjoying is iced coffee protein shake. It's even better than the Israeli iced coffees, and it gives me protein, so I stay filled for longer. I just blend up ice cubes, skim milk, coffee, and cookies and cream protein powder. It's delicious, super easy, and it will keep you going for the whole day. All right, thanks for watching. That's my tips for life. Hope to catch you on a run. See you.
You like that outrun Beatie.
What?